Are you looking for the best carry-on garment bags in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best carry-on garment bags that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. SWISSGEAR Folding Garment Bag. This carry-on garment bag comes along with a large, adjustable shoulder strap. Suitable for men and women, this bag also makes traveling convenient for all. Moreover, the padded center does not leave your clothes wrinkly. The luggage handle helps you to attach this bag against your trolley with no difficulty. The top external compartment also keeps your wet clothes or shoes. Furthermore, the folding garment bag does not acquire extra space in your trolley bag when not in use. The multiple zippered compartments help you to organize the garments and other accessories with no hassle. You can carry your suits, shirts, and dresses without making them wrinkly. At number 4. Magictador Carry-On Garment Bag. This carry-on garment bag feels ultra-light in weight and makes traveling convenient for individuals. The bag is also spacious enough to carry 3 suits or dresses. Moreover, the TSA lock keeps your gear safe from the hands of intruders. The dual anti-theft protection includes a built-in 6-inch safety wire. The handle strap also helps you to keep the bag stable on your trolley. Furthermore, the luggage carrier has 3 roomy zippered pockets and a mesh zipper pocket. The anti-gravity design equally distributes the weight of the garments on each side. The 2-inch hanging hook helps you to hang this luggage carrier in your hotel wardrobe. At number 3. NIUBILY Carry-On Garment Bag. This carry-on garment bag comes with practical design to suit the needs of airline workers. The convertible bag also simply transforms into a suit travel bag. Therefore, you can carry your expensive suit and pant sets without leaving them wrinkly. Moreover, the premium quality polyester fabric construction makes this bag shock-proof, water, wear, and tear-resistant. This unisex duffel bag is also suitable for both men and women. Furthermore, the garment bag can hold up to 55 liters of equipment. The independent shoe pouch helps you to keep your shoes separate from your garments. The bag consists of 17 pieces of functional compartments. At number 2. MATEIN Travel Garment Bag. Repeated business trips become hassle-free for businesspersons when they have this handy carry-on garment bag. You can also easily hold this bag with the help of a detachable shoulder strap. Moreover, the soft-sided suit bag also consists of a roomy main compartment. You can safely carry a suit without leaving wrinkles. The duffel bag also has the construction of water-resistant, high-density nylon fabric. Furthermore, the handy bag offers ample space for carrying 3 pieces of suits and shirts. The small front and back zippered compartments help you to keep files, magazines, notepads, and other items. The compact bag easily fits the tight space of the airplane overboard pin. At number 1. NEWHY Convertible Garment. This carry-on garment bag comes with simple construction to suit your needs of garment carrying. The suit travel bag also involves the construction of the heavy-duty polyester fabric. Moreover, the thick nylon lining keeps your garments and accessories dry and damage-free. This duffel bag is perfect for both men and women. This garment bag also comes with multiple YKK zippered pockets to make gear organization hassle-free for all. Furthermore, the carrier includes an additional side pocket for carrying your wet clothes and shoes. The wrinkle-resistant design keeps the bag deformation-free even after years of use. This luggage carrier comes with thick nylon lining to resist wearing and tearing. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.